Cerebral cortex is divided into primary, secondary, and association areas. Primary areas receive direct thalamic input and perform basic motor or sensory processing. Secondary areas refine this information, while association areas integrate multiple modalities and underlie higher cognitive functions. The frontal lobe contains the primary motor cortex, area 4, which initiates voluntary movement via corticospinal pathways, and the premotor and prefrontal cortex, which are involved in motor planning, executive function, attention, motivation, and personality. Broca's area, 44-45, controls motor aspects of speech. The parietal lobe houses the primary somatosensory cortex, areas 3-1-2, which receives tactile and proprioceptive input from the contralateral body via the thalamus. Its association areas integrate sensory input with motor planning and language comprehension, contributing to Wernicke's area. The temporal lobe contains the primary auditory cortex, areas 41-42, and auditory association cortex, essential for sound perception and language comprehension. The occipital lobe contains the primary visual cortex, area 17, which receives retinal input via the lateral geniculate body and processes visual information. The insular cortex integrates visceral sensation, taste, pain, and vestibular input, while the limbic lobe modulates emotion, memory, autonomic responses, and behavior, linking cortical activity to physiological states. The cerebral cortex receives blood supply from anterior, middle, and posterior cerebral arteries, ensuring metabolic support for continuous synaptic activity. Through widespread cortical and subcortical connections, the cerebral cortex enables voluntary movement, sensory perception, language, learning, memory, decision-making, and emotional regulation.